Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So I just want to get rid of some of these levels here. I'll leave that one in. So firstly, the channel that we were in, which is pretty much there, that has broken. We've got a daily close above it now. It's been a pretty gappy move up, so you can see gap has been gap up, gap up, gap up, and we haven't really come back and closed those gaps. So that's always a bit of a worry in my books anyway. And yesterday you can see not much happened. It was pretty much a big up and big down day. Nothing really to write home about there. At the moment, futures are sort of getting a bit of a hiding, down 0.45%. It was a little bit further than that, but yeah, not sure what that is, but that's typically what happens in Asia during the Asian session, which is why I don't really want to pay much attention to it. But we do have this 14,000 level, and again, this is a massive area. So until we claim 14,000 and stay above it on the daily, I think you're going to continue to see volatility around this area. So we're so close to it today that I'm not really interested in trading this at the moment. We've had a nice run up. We've had some pretty decent moves to the upside. Yesterday was a nothing day on most markets, well, all markets in actual fact. Same pattern across everything. And I'm not 100% sure what we're going to see here. If we do get a break of 1400, I'm going to want to see a daily close above it before I even start looking at taking longs at this level. So to me, it's either sideways or it's a decent pullback on offer. I think that's the higher probability for me at the moment, but I'm not prepared to go against the trend, and the trend is up. Okay, so puts me in a bit of a dilemma, so I don't really have an opportunity to trade, but it does mean that I protect my capital and I am not losing money. So I'm looking for the better setup, and the better setup would either be a break of 1400 and a retest of it on, I would say, probably 3-4 hour charts for me to be comfortable there. Otherwise, the second opportunity is going to be to wait for the pullback and then back in on the pullback. So pullback could be close of yesterday's gap. You can see there is a bit of structure here as well, so that is 13,926, and then you have that area there, which is the gap, which is 13,876. So that kind of pull back into there and start seeing some bullish price action on the 15-minute, that would get me long. But I would be taking profit at 1400 again. I wouldn't be trying to anticipate a breakthrough there, not just yet. Okay, so anyway, that's me on the DAX. It's fairly short and sweet this morning. Not interested in getting in long up there, and definitely not interested in going against the trend, which is short. So it's money in pocket, wait for the pullback or wait for the breakout, which means I'll probably have to wait quite some time today. So I'd rather look at something else. I think that the Dow Jones is looking fairly interesting, and the S&P is also looking pretty interesting. So that's probably where my focus will be today. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.